Hey my loves, so I am back with another video. This video is passion twists, but they're really long. These passion twists came to her about her butt. They took me around 3.5 4 hours, and then the cutting and making sure all that was straight accessories took me like another 30 minutes. But as you can see, I'm on the last braid. You can see how long that hair is. I used 3 pieces to do this passion twist instead of my usual 2. Even though these were medium, the hair was a little bit thinner that she got, so I did have to use another strand to get the look that she was going for. But do you guys see those parts? Because that is immaculate. I'm sorry. Anyway, so I braid the root. I add my little jam to it, slick her hair. I continue to braid, and then I start to twist. I want to say in this video, I twisted right over left because the hair, in order for it to get that tight curl, that tight twist, needed to be twisted right over left. I love my shining jam, so I made sure that I added that while I was twisting. And we was in there like swimwear, I'm gonna just let y'all watch as I twist, because this is kind of cool. I was moving kind of fast now that I look at it. I be on it sometimes. But, yeah. How y'all doing? How y'all going? Do y'all like y'all stylists? Do y'all like y'all stylists? Like, are y'all stylists mean? Are they nice? Do they charge too much? Do they not charge enough? Are they in a salon? Are they in a house? Like, give me some answers. So, back on topic though. I put the foam on. Y'all know I love Lottabody foam. It's a mousse that I use literally on every style I do. Braids, passion twist, crochet, any style I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have my shining jam, and I'm gonna have my Lottabody foam, something like that. And then I did a hot towel treatment on her hair. This just feels good for the client, and when I put oil on the scalp, it helps the scalp absorb the oil. Other than that, it doesn't really do too much. Well, I'm not gonna say it doesn't do too much. It doesn't do anything like crazy spectacular. It just feels good for the client. After your hair has been messed with for 4 hours, it feels good to have that little bit of heat and that nourishment going back into your scalp. So I really like doing this for my clients. I think it's a nice way to just send them on about their day with their new style and all that. But back to y'all stylists. Answer that in the comments below. Are they nice? Are they mean? Like, do they give y'all food? Do they let y'all eat? Can y'all be on y'all phone? Do they play music, or do you watch TV? Like, I just really want to know. Like, what be going on with them? Just let me know. Let's have a little discussion down in the comments. Cool. So yeah, y'all, I'm finished. I'm gonna stop talking, and I'm gonna just show y'all the videos of the results, because they was cute. They was really cute. These twists was really cute. And if I do these twists again, I'll actually do like a whole tutorial for like long passion twists. But y'all see how those look. Y'all see how those look. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and let y'all look at the results. I'm done for real. But if you want more videos like this, or you want to see more images and the other pictures and whatnot, you can go on my Instagram at braidedhands_ on Instagram. I am located in Charlotte, North Carolina, if you are interested in booking an appointment. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love it.
Yeah, like this. And then go like this, like hold it like this. Like hold it.
I need you. I need you. Period.
Alright, but grab it all. Like your opponent's
Where have you been all my life? Where have you been? 22 now. Wow.
You are really nice.
Bro, your sister just got you $10 off your appointment. Like, no, for real.
Hey,
I'm so serious. I'm so serious. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, we are good to go.
Yanni, do you feel comfortable like being on, expressing yourself a little bit in the video, giving it character? Like how you do it at home. Like, do you feel comfortable doing it? Like
The first video she did it in, so she should feel comfortable. That video is the most liked video on my page. You know that, right?
Get it. Do you think that your like followers are more receptive to like seeing a lot of
Engagement, they are.
really pretty girl? Alright, well turn your face because you're really pretty.
You are really pretty.
That's what we're receptive to.
Right.